Be safe. Staying safe is very important for children. To remain safe, must listen to his parents. For being safe, he stays away from electrical things. To stay safe, he does not touch fire and sharp objects. For being safe, he walks and crosses the road carefully. To be safe, he never talks to strangers. For being safe, he talks to his parents and follows them. Must also always thank Allah Almighty for keeping him safe and fine. Thank you.